Hello all, in previous video we have seen what is primitive and non-primitive data structure. In today's video we are covering what is linear data structure and what is non-linear data structure in detail. Let's start the video. So this is the tree hierarchy that we have seen previously in previous video also. So this is the hierarchy of the data structure. You can see the place of the linear data structure and non-linear data structure is from non-primitive data structure. Okay, what is non-primitive data structure? They are not defined by the programming language, but they are instead created by the programmer. So let's start with the linear data structure. It is the data structure having data elements arranged in a sequential manner and each member element is connected to its previous and next element. See, I want to tell one thing here. If this is the tree, the name, this data structure is the root of the tree. Then two main branches, one is this and second is this. So this is the left branch of the tree, this is right branch of the tree. This is level 0, this is level 1, this is level 2, this is level 3 and the array linked list stack is level 4. So these are the levels, okay, and this is the one layer data, that is integer, float, character. These are linear manner, okay, these are linear manner. These four words are stored linear, but primitive, but static and array, these two elements are not linear. This dynamic linked list stack queue hierarchy is not linear, okay. So this is very important to see here what sequential is. Sequential means the queue of the movie ticket or the queue of the buffet table is nothing but the linear, okay. Such data structures are easy to implement as computer memory is also a sequential. So these are some important examples of the linear data structure you can see on the screen. In array element, what you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6, linearly you are storing the element, okay. And if you have taken the example of the queue, you can see here in queue also what happened, you have stored elements sequentially, okay. This for front and rear, this is the structure of the queue, but what you can see here, in one by one sequential manner elements have stored there. In linked list also, if you can see, hi, how are you, this all four words are stored sequentially after one by one. If this is the stack data structure, you can see this is the stack. This is also first element, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element. This is not stored like 1 is stored here, 2 is stored here, 3 is stored here, then again 4 is here, then 7 is here, then 11 is here, then 9 is here. This is not like that. All elements are stored how? Sequentially. So non-linear data structure. A non-linear data structure is a data structure in which a data item is connected to several other data items and data items are not organized sequentially, and therefore it is called a non-linear data structure, okay, not sequentially. Suppose 1 number is stored here, 2 number is stored here, 3 number is here, then 5 number is there, then 9 number is here, 8 number is here. So this is not a linear. Linear is what? 1 number is stored here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6 here and 7 here, likewise. In case of non-linear data structure, it is possible for data item to connected with one or more items. The example of non-linear data structure includes graph, trees. Graph is Pune is here, Aurangabad is here, Nanded is here, Bid is there, then Gujarat is here, Uttar Pradesh is here, Kashmir is here, Himachal is here, likewise. So graph, the graph is the good example of non-linear data structure, okay. These are some example of non-linear data structure. First example is of tree. You can see this is the root of the tree and every element is node of the tree, okay. So this is how non-linear, one by one, it is not stored one by one. The first is here, then two main branches is here, then first branch is again having two main branches, then second branch is also having two main branches. So by becoming this much, all the elements of node. They are not stored linearly. These are non-linear. This is the example of graph. You can see this is also a non-linear data structure. Now the difference between linear data structure and non-linear data structure, this is very important. Please keep remember forever this point. Every item is related to its previous and next item in linear data structure, whereas every item is attached with many other items. Data is arranged in linear sequence here, where data is arranged is sequentially, okay, and the data items can be traversed in a single run, whereas data item cannot be traversed in a single run. The example of linear data structure are array, stack, queue, linked list, whereas the example of non-linear data structure are tree and graph. Last one but not least, very important, is the implementation of linear data structure usually are very easy, whereas the data structure of non-linear data structure are somewhat difficult as compared to linear data structure. So these are the example list. I just told you the examples are array, stack, queue, linked list, whereas example of non-linear data structures are graph and trees. That's it for today's video. Bye.